Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new inspiration for Finnabair. Today I will be creating Christmas window. It is cute little project that anyone can do, so I invite you to create with me. For the window base, I'm using a wooden tray that is divided in 4 parts and a chipboard which I'm going to turn into shutters. The chipboard is cut into strips. The width is 1 centimeter and the size of the shutter is half of the tray. So depend on what you are using in the center. If you have similar tray or a box, shadow box, whatever you will be creating, and then if you want to ever create the shutters, the half of the size of that element will be the size of the shutter. Before attaching the shutters to the window, I'm going to prime everything with 2 coats of white gesso. Before attaching shutters to the main part, I decided to add a little bit of texture to my project. The tray is quite plain, that's why I'm using cheesecloth and gel medium to stick it here and there to create the texture. I could go with the texture paste, but I didn't want to wait too long for embellishing the project, so I decided to add cheesecloth and then texture paste at the end of the video. embellish the window, I have chosen little elements, all in white and brown and few green branches. I also have few handmade flowers. I don't want to overload it with the embellishments, so there will be like 1-2 pieces in each part of the box, and then the flowers on the shutters. Inside the frame, I want to have 25, the number, like 25th of December, which is a Christmas day. But because my numbers are silver, I am going to change that color to brown. So first I applied white gesso, a thin layer of it, and then I used sepia wax to add that brown metallic color, and it turned out really nicely. This is probably my last video in 2022, so I want to use that occasion and just wish you all the best for the next year, for the holiday season. If you are celebrating or not Christmas, have a lovely time filled with love with your family and friends. Just relax, take it easy. And I hope to see you at the beginning of the new year. I want to thank you very, very much for staying with me through the year, for supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks. To finish off my project, I'm using white crackle paste and glitter. I have 2 shades of gold glitter here, and just going to add a little bit here and there, and this will be it. I hope you liked the video and I hope to inspire you to create something similar. Thank you very, very much for watching. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!